we have some new VR cover accessories for the Quest 2 to check out. These are the cool XG foam replacement kits. Facial padding for the VR cover facial interface, but the difference now is that they don't just consist of foam, but there's also gel inside, which is supposed to have a cooling effect on your face. All right, then we have this, a spacer. Let me get it out. A spacer for all of you who wear glasses and who want to use the facial interface, because this will put those facial interfaces a bit further away from the lenses, and then you will not scratch your lenses with your glasses. This is going to set you back $9, and this is going to set you back $29. And if it's worth it, I'm going to check out in this video. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video, because all of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back again here to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ark, and this channel here is all about virtual reality. I'm bringing you independent XR reviews, and you're getting the latest news. So if you're into virtual reality, absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, these are the VR cover foam replacements, and they do look pretty similar to what we've seen before from the company, but I can tell you they do feel different. You can tell that there's gel inside next to foam, and that it does feel different. It simply feels different. If it's worth it, the $29 that you have to pay for them, I'm going to check out in an A and B comparison. So these are the standard VR cover facial interfaces that come with the $29 foam replacement kit for the Quest 2. And these also have the interface that you will need for sure. This interface does not come here with the cool XG replacement, right? So this is just an add-on for the facial interface. So you already have these, and now you can replace them with the gel ones. I think that's important to say. So now I'm going to do the A-B comparison. I'm first going to try the standard foam kit, which doesn't have any gel. And then I'm going to compare this with the cool ones, the cool XG ones. So for the standard ones, yeah, it does feel good, just as we know it from VR cover. The standard PU leather kind of feel. And I'm looking forward now to exchange that with one of these. And well, these come in two different sizes. One is a bit thicker for more comfort, and the other one is thinner for more FOV. And I'm first going to try the one that is thinner. All right, so I've replaced it now. This is now the cool XG one, and it looks basically exactly the same like the other one. Let me put it on. Okay, yeah. So I can tell the difference in temperature. Yes, it does feel cooler. It does really feel cooler than the original. And yeah, that is a nice sensation. But in terms of how it feels on the skin, other than the temperature, it's exactly the same, because it's simply the same PU leather. But in general, I do like that it's now cooler. It has this cooling effect indeed. The question is just, how long will this cooling effect stay? Because I believe that at one point, the gel inside will also, yeah, have the same temperature as your face, and then I don't think you're going to feel anything anymore. And I'm going to check this out later. I'm going to play for a longer time, and then I'm going to let you know, like, how long would you actually feel that sensation. But now I'm also going to try the bigger one. All right, this is the bigger one. Let me put it on. Also here, yes, it does have this nice cooling sensation. It is good, definitely. Same like the normal one, just cooler. So this is really a cooler kind of accessory. And you know what? Now I simply have to play for a longer period of time, simply to find out, like, how long will this good feeling actually last. So let me go play a bit. And here we are in Death Unchained, an amazing game for the Quest. If you have never heard about it, it's a roguelike that I can absolutely recommend to you. And it's nice that I can show you some games when I try all these accessories. So this one is great. But more importantly, of course, how does the Cool XG facial padding feel like? I can tell you it does feel good on the skin. It does have this cooling sensation. And I'm not sure if you know these kind of eye coolers, like you can buy them and then you put them into the fridge and they are transparent and they have some gel-like fluid in them for relaxing your eyes. This is kind of similar. However, you don't put those interfaces into the fridge, but probably you can also do that. And yeah, that is pretty good feeling and it does feel good when you put it on. But how long does it last? Well, I would say it does last for a couple of minutes. Then the gel will get to the temperature of your body and then it still feels good. I would say it still feels good. And it is better than the standard facial interface from VR Cover. The question now, is it worth it? $29? Now, that question I'm going to talk about with you now. Alright, so the Cool XG VR Cover foam interfaces, they do work. They are indeed cool. They are cooling and they feel cooler on the skin. But this kind of cooling effect, it will fade away after a few minutes of gameplay. And then I would say that the gel inside, it will get to your body temperature and it does feel good actually. It does feel good. I would say it feels better than the standard VR covers, but I would also say that it's not a must buy. Yeah, it's not like, wow, guys, go and get it. Go and get it now. I wouldn't say so. But if you don't mind to pay another $29, I would say these are better. These feel better than the standard VR cover foam interfaces. And yeah, then it's all right, but it's not a must buy. Also, very important, if you get them, right, these come without this interface that you actually do need, right? So these are really just the covers. So very important. This is just an upgrade if you already have the VR cover facial foam interface, right? Then you can upgrade to these. Again, the plastic interface is not part of the $29 deal here. Very important for you to know. Yep, then also this is the VR cover spacer for all the people who are wearing glasses and who still want to use VR cover products. Because if you simply use them like this, then your glasses might scratch the lenses. So this is a very important kind of accessory, and it's the same like the one for the original face cover from Oculus, right? This comes with the Oculus Quest, but for the original cover, now they also have this here for the VR cover one, and you simply put it on here, and then then you gain a couple of millimeters and then your glasses will not touch the lenses. This is going to set you back $9 and well, I think it's a useful accessory, and the link to all the products down in the description of this video. Alright, I hope this was informative for you. If yes, give it a thumbs up and of course make some noise for the algorithm. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Do you already own the VR cover for the Quest 2 and are you going to upgrade your facial foam interfaces to the gel cool one? Please do let me know down in the comment section of this video. If you want more from MRTV, then become a member of the MRTV Elite at mrtvelite.com. That is my Patreon channel, and well, you get more information, you get more content, you get behind the scenes goodness, and I think it's absolutely worth it. Only $1. So support our favorite niche, VR. That's it for this video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do so and click on the bell button, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.